In this short video, I will tell you that how you can easily fix WhatsApp bugs in 2024 and onwards. So that's quite simple and interesting. So guys, if you're facing any WhatsApp bug like the WhatsApp is crashing and it keeps crashing and there are some glitches on WhatsApp or it's slowing down and it's lagging, in this video you will learn how to fix all those bugs on your WhatsApp, whether if you're using an Android or an iPhone. So the first thing you can do is to go to the Safari browser and then search for is WhatsApp down, and you can go to downdetector.pk and then check whether the WhatsApp is down or not. If it's fine, you can the second thing you can do is to check your internet connection, that do you have a fine internet connection or not. If the WhatsApp is down, you will have to wait for 4 or 5 hours, and it may be become to normal WhatsApp and it will fix all of bugs and glitches automatically. But if it's not down, you'll have to check your internet connection, that do you have fine internet connection to run WhatsApp smoothly. And if that's also fine, the third thing and the final thing you can do is to head over to your iPhone setting, scroll down, go to general, go to iPhone storage. Now you'll have to look for WhatsApp and tap on it and click on offload app and offload it and then reinstall it. It will not lose your data, your WhatsApp data. It will fix all the bugs and glitches with the latest WhatsApp update. And if you're on an Android, you can go to settings and go to WhatsApp and clear cache and then check whether the issue is solved. So guys, I hope you found the video helpful. If you found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have